In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see and find your WhatsApp backup data in Google Drive. Whether you're trying to manage your storage or simply curious about your backup files, this guide will walk you through the straightforward process in just a few easy steps. Let's dive in and get started. First, open up Google Drive on your web browser. Once you're there, you'll want to direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. Here you'll find a menu with different options. Look for the section that says Storage. Click on this and it will bring you to a page that provides an overview of how all of your Google Drive storage is being used. Now, the purpose of this step is to guide you to the specific location in Drive where you can see the storage breakdown, which includes your backups. Once you're on the storage overview page, you should notice another option titled Backups. This option is usually found within the list on the left-hand side, just like where we found the storage option earlier. Go ahead and click on Backups. What this does is it takes you to the specific area within Google Drive that stores all your backup files from various apps and devices linked to your Google account. Now that you're in the backup section, you'll be able to see all your backups listed here. These might include backups from your Android devices, other apps, and of course WhatsApp. Specifically look for the entry that mentions WhatsApp. This is where your chat backups are stored, but keep in mind that you can't actually view individual messages within Google Drive. WhatsApp backups stored here are encrypted, ensuring your chats remain private. If you're managing space and need to clear up some room, knowing where to find these backups can be particularly useful. You can manage them directly from this area by deleting old backups that you no longer need. However, be cautious and make sure you don't delete anything you might want to keep unless you're absolutely sure. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've learned how to navigate Google Drive to locate your WhatsApp backup data. This might not be something you'll need every day, but it's handy information to keep at the back of your mind for when you need to manage your backups or free up storage space. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative guides and tips. See you next time.